This incredible footage proves that not only do these creatures actually exist, they may be a lot more intelligent than we give them credit for. Look at this. Can they actually read? Well, maybe not. So I got the camcorder back, and the rest is history.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. So, let's get this show on the road. Who's directing? You gotta be kidding. Sigmund? Who told him he could direct? The producer wants to try him out? You gotta be nuts. What? Okay. The things I put up with. Fine. Sigmund, you go ahead and direct wherever you are. Tell me how to act. I pull you out of the gutter and you teach me how to act. Great. He's not here yet. The clock's running, the meter's ticking, and we're all sitting around here waiting for Sigmund? You say he's arriving now? Look at the monitor. Sigmund, welcome to the studio. It's good that you're here. We were kind of waiting for you. You know, you're a little tardy, aren't you? It's great to see you, buddy. Sigmund, what's with the getup? You say you're a celebrity now and you have to dress like this to fit in? Sigmund, how can you fit in when you don't even wear pants? Oh, you don't like clothes anyway. They're too hot. You're going to take your jacket off now because it's uncomfortable. Yeah, okay. Gotcha. Matt Lauer gets to work with Meredith Vieira. And me? I get to work with an ape. Hey, Sigmund, I said we got to get this program in shape. You don't hear very well. Okay. Now, where were we? Okay, Sigmund, you're the director. Tell me what to do, okay? You say you finished the new opening? You edited it yourself? This I gotta see. Roll tape.
Let me set you straight about this camcorder creature. He's really just a different kind of camcorder teacher. He's earned our respect and he's our main network feature. So let's pay some attention to this camcorder creature. He's really quite intelligent and that's no jive. He's very conscientious and he always strives to do things that are positive and give high fives. Yeah, he's the coolest creature that there is alive. He knows camcorders up and down and sideways and back. He loves to shoot both tape and film, and he's got the knack to edit it together with a minimum of lag and masterfully crack it so it states the facts. Now let me set you straight about this camcorder creature. He's really just a different kind of camcorder teacher. He's earned our respect and he's our main network feature. So let's pay some attention to this camcorder creature.
Okay, Sigmund, I'll admit it. You've come a long way. And he's got a long way to go. Okay, Sigmund, you're the director. Tell me what to do, okay?